Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Aftab and I'm here with the support and the resistance strategy. I have received lots and lots of comments for this particular strategy. So here we go. Today finally I'm going to record this video for all of you so that you guys can take full benefit of the support and the resistance strategy. You must have heard someone saying on a TV channel or maybe on another YouTube video somewhere or maybe in the forums about, you must have heard a lot about the support and the resistance level. Remember, every mentor, every trader has their own method of identifying the support and the resistance level. So why is support and the resistance very much important? First, let me tell you, you can't trade blindly and you can't follow signals forever. This is the truth. If you don't know where the market is respecting levels, you will keep chasing the candles and catching the losses. So today I will show you how to draw support and the resistance like a real trader. Clean, simple, no confusion, and by the end of this video, inshallah, you will see the market like a map, not a mess. Support and the resistance strategy, the foundation of all price action. Now, if you have no idea about the price action, you can click on the link given in the iCard above. So first of all, let's discuss what is support and the resistance. Support and resistance is not magic. It's just human behavior on a chart. Support is where buyers say we want to buy it, and the resistance is a place where the sellers say I want to sell. So this much simple it is, support and the resistance, and this concept will always be present on the forex market charts. Let's suppose this is a structure present in front of all of us. So support is where buyers say this is cheap, let's buy it. For example, right here, for example, right here, for example, right here, for example, right here. While the resistance is where sellers say this is expensive, let's sell. For example, right here, right here, right here, even these as well as resistance. So you will see the same levels get respected again and again. Why? Because traders like us are all watching the same zones. It's like real life. You don't go to a restaurant where food was bad last time. Same in charts. The market remembers one thing most of the traders completely violate, and that is they don't understand how to draw the support and the resistance levels. Let's have a look at this present chart at the moment. Literally, if I show you, there will be so many support and so many resistance. Let's say this one, this is a resistance, then this is another resistance, then the same level right here, this is a resistance right here, it becomes support, it becomes support. So this is a support and a resistance as well. Then similarly right here, this is another support, this is right here another resistance. The chart will get full of the lines if I include each and every level, and the trader don't understand which level after all to trade. So now let me show you how to actually draw the support and the resistance levels. Step by step I will be discussing it, and I'm now showing you how I personally draw my levels. Forget the messy lines and the 15 zones that I have shown you right now. Keep it clean, okay? So step by step, go to the daily time frame. First of all, this is your step number 1, daily time frame. Go to the daily time frame right here. Zoom out to have a bird's eye view. Why? Because structure is clean, noise is gone, right? What? Structure is clean, noise is gone. Then comes step number 2, zoom out. Look for obvious turning points. We have to see where the market reacted last time. We don't have to see the market if it is respecting right now or not. For example, if I'm analyzing the market right here, I have to go through a little bit of the support and the resistance concept. So the obvious level obviously right here on this particular chart is this one as a resistance, this one as a resistance, and similarly this as a support. Simple. Strong highs that reversed the market. This is a strong high from where previously the market reversed. From here the market reversed very nicely, and obviously strong lows that push the market back up as this and as this, and again we have another resistance. So this is, if I simplify it, this is resistance, this is support. Now most traders ignore these levels, and they just, when we ignore the support and the resistance, it means we are trading just blindly. So clear, resistance, support, where market reacted the previous time. I'm not talking about right here. If I want to trade right here, definitely I have to study this past data that I have. If I don't, it means I'm trading right here blindly. Got it? Clear? Now we are making zones, like not laser beams, okay? We are making zones. We are not looking for complete precise levels at this stage. See, this is a zone. And right here, if you see, this is not a zone. This is the wrong way people make it. We cannot violate this. See, market rejected from right here. So now this is a complete zone for us for the future. Now, before the support and the resistance, when I was looking at this chart and when you were looking at this chart right here in the video, it was just directionless market. Now we know our boundaries, the highs, the lows. We know our boundaries, so it should be fairly easy for us to trade and predict the future move of the market on the basis of these levels. Remember, support is like a ceiling. You go up, you hit with the ceiling. Obviously you cannot break it, you will come back down to the floor. And support is the floor from where you go up. Clear? Now when we draw a line, not too thick, not too perfect, when we make zones, then number 4 will be switch to the 4-hour time frame. See how price reacts at those levels. Like imagine a ball bouncing between two floors. A ball bouncing between two floors. That's how price reacts between the support and the resistance levels. Resistance pushes back down, support pushes back up. Simple. Now when we switch to the H4 time frame, there comes the tricky thing. What is that? This is way too zoomed out chart. Since this market is going straight up, what I am going to do is I am start reading the market from right here. So obviously further on the lower time frame, I can see some rejection points from here. See, now this is on the basis of this support, I have got into this particular level and this support as well. See, this is a clear zone, okay, not a pinpoint area. For that we use Fibonacci. Soon I'm going to upload a video on the Fibonacci as well. Soon when it is uploaded, I will give the link in the iCard above, so you can click and it will take you straight to the Fibonacci trading strategy. Now my friends, drawing lines is easy. Obviously using them properly is what matters. For example, price reaches your support zone. In this case right here, price reaches to the support zone. What we can do is we can look for several things. First one I see is the RSI. Whenever the market is at the support zone, I have to see whether this RSI is, see, this is a very nice support zone we have. Now I have to see where is the RSI. What is now RSI and what is RSI trading strategy? You can find that link in the iCard above, you will clearly understand. So when it comes to the support or maybe to the resistance, so at a support, what RSI levels I look for? It should be below 20 or at least on top of the 20. See, this trade opportunity the RSI gives us, let's see, this one, this one, and have a look at right here. See, so this is one opportunity. Then the next time price came down, this is the second opportunity, this is the third opportunity, this is the fourth opportunity, this is the fifth opportunity. 5 trades this single support level gave us on the 4-hour time frame. If I count the number of pips, see, 400 pips on this one, 300 pips on this one, 500 pips on this one, but I say we exited right here. So again 350 pips approximately right here, and right here this was our take profit zone. So again a 527 pips of up move. Why? Because we identified the support and the resistance. I highly recommend everyone, you go through this tutorial and open a chart, do exactly the way I do. Try to do it on multiple instruments. So in this situation, you are not guessing. If you trade this way, you will be not guessing. You will be reacting to a level the market already respects. That's called trading with alignment, not gambling. Now here are obviously some mistakes most of the traders do. What are those mistakes? Number one is drawing too many lines. Oh my friend, don't complicate it for yourself. What are you just doing? Don't make it complicate for yourself. Just work between two levels. Take one support, one resistance, and apply your strategy. That's it. Second thing is, most traders, they do it on the lower time frames like the 15-minute, 5-minute, drawing lines, and the whole chart will be full of the lines. Third mistake every trader is doing is adjusting levels every hour. Every single hour you adjust your support. Oh no, this doesn't work like this. You don't have to repeat these mistakes. And then most traders also thinking support resistance will always hold. No, they are not breakable walls. What's they think? But I say be flexible, be patient, wait for confirmation. Treat your zones like entry gates, not price magnets. For example, let's have a look right here. This was the support example. Now let me give you about the resistance. If you want to trade, obviously what you are going to do is we have to read the previous chart. So on the previous chart, what we had, this level was already present. See, this level, this and this, it was already present. When the market go up there, hit this level, look for the RSI, it was above 80. Boom, fantastic sell opportunity. Similarly right here, price was at the support, market touch 80 and boom, again a very good bullish opportunity. But remember my friends, everything needs patience. Those who have no patience, unfortunately very hard to make money in the forex market. This is simple support and the resistance. Forex is no rocket science. There is no simplest business than the forex market, but only when the trader understands the support and the resistance levels and how to draw them correctly. For example, I personally look for several touches in the past. For example, we have this touch, we have this touch. Obviously this was a tradable, this was a tradable, this was a tradable, this was a tradable. How many tradable opportunities one single support level can give us, you cannot imagine. More than 5, 6. So this is called like a flip zone. Okay, flip zone. The support level is like a flip zone. The resistance levels are flip zones, and these are, remember, gold mines for traders who know what they are doing. So I marked these two zones. No indicators needed, just clean chart reading and trust in structure. If this helped you see the market more clearly, drop a like. And if you are learning from these real strategies, please subscribe. In the next video, I'll show you how to combine support and the resistance plus RSI plus Fibonacci. My full setup, that's where the real magic happens in Confluence. Until then, draw your levels with confidence and trade like a calm warrior. These are the support, the resistance levels, and I'm sure enough if you like to draw it this way multiple times, the market has to respect these levels. This is the sign of a strong support or resistance level, key levels we call it as well. So other of my videos are still in the process. Make sure to subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss any update. Take care. Goodbye.